Schopenhauer's Radical Biology. How he predicted Darwin, sort of. The book is called Schopenhauer's Radical Biology. How he predicted Darwin, sort of. On the Origin of Species was written by Darwin in 1859. Schopenhauer died in 1860, 1 year apart. Two minds, one in the realm of biology and one in metaphysics, who both know nothing of each other, both reaching something extremely close to one another. No, Darwin did not foretell Schopenhauer. That's too convenient. However, there is a convergence that is real and precise. Schopenhauer's insight into nature was that the will is not solely a psychological phenomenon. It is the life force of all living beings. Each organism is manifestation of the will. Will to eat is teeth, which is structure. Eyes are the will to perceive. Each organ, each instinct, the will in a particular form of life to express a certain need. Now read Darwin. Those that help with survival and reproduction are preserved by natural selection. Through deep time, the outcome is a living world where each structure seems to be designed for a purpose, not for design reasons. The universe contained nothing that did otherwise it would not have lasted. Both men came to the same conclusion. The world is structured around a blind, meaningless force which creates the illusion of design, but does not mean to. It is the will according to Schopenhauer. Darwin's term for it was natural selection. None were talking about a designer. Both had been talking about an unfilled space and what would occupy it. However, for the comparison to be honest, the following should be taken into account. Schopenhauer's thinking was from the inside to the outside, starting with the felt experience of his own body and moving outwards to all of nature. Darwin was an observer, collector, and tester. His theory has been tested and has made specific predictions which have been confirmed for more than 160 years. Schopenhauer's description of the phenomenon. Darwin described the mechanism. Both men had the same thing in common, a downgrade of purpose. Living nature was more often than not purposeful, more often teleological than either of the above. There were purposes, which meant a designer. They both dissolved that image. Not by denying the appearance of purpose, by demonstrating how apparent purpose can emerge out of an apparent lack of purpose. It is one of the most disturbing concepts which the 19th century bequeathed to us. The notion that a living world, which has no intention of design, produces the illusion of design. It's still a difficult process to deal with.